For this problem, I've turned my video off so that I'm not hiding anything on the screen. Here are the instructions for problem 5. Use the symbols less than, equal to, or greater than to compare the pairs of numbers. Remember, those symbols look like this: greater than, less than, and equal to. For all of these problems, you are going to write the correct symbol inside of the circle. And some of these you're going to have to do some work for, okay? It's not just going to give it to you. I want you to think really, really big. And remember, your alligator always wants to eat the what? The greater number. A says 2 ones, 4 tens, and 42 ones. 102, 8 tens, 6 ones. 7 tens, 14 ones. 8 tens, 4 ones. 97, 79. 10 tens, 100 ones, 19, and 119. So don't rush through these. Some of these you're going to have to think pretty hard about, okay? Try your best, and remember, your alligator always wants to eat the greater number.